Why do some machinists earn $500 a month while others drive a Porsche after work? These 8 skills make all the difference. Number 1. Technical skills. You need to program, set up, know G code and M code, and use CAD, CAM. The more you know, the more you earn. Number 2. Math skills. If you can calculate speed, feed, or tool offset, you can even start the job. Number 3. Attention to detail. A 0.01 mm error can destroy the whole part. Precision matters. Number 4. Problem solving. Machine error, size of full acting read, fix it fast. Number 5. Communication. Don't just talk to machines. Talk to the people. Ask questions, give feedback, and work as a team. Number 6. Time management. 2 change in 1 minute. Climb in 3 seconds. If you were slow, you are outpaced. Number 7. Stress control. Orders arising, errors happening. Stay calm, think clearly, act fast. Number 8. Adaptability. Aluminum today, titanium tomorrow. PE next. Just say no problem. I'm Candy, our machinist at TiRapid help these skills too. Ready to support your next project.